Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your site is live, pages are not set to no index, and robots. TXT won't block Google. Once done, generate an XML sitemap and submit it in Google Search Console so Google knows your URL map. Then add clear, unique meta titles and descriptions for core posts to improve click-through. Do this now to begin indexing. You'll speed up discovery and make ranking signals visible to Google while you move into content and technical optimization. Next, you focus on creating and optimizing content. Publish posts that target a single primary keyword and satisfy user intent. Make sure headers follow hierarchy, images include alt text, and you link between relevant posts to pass authority. Simultaneously, audit mobile usability and cut page load time by compressing images, enabling caching, and deferring non-critical JavaScript. Once you implement these changes, reindex key pages in Search Console and monitor performance to see which pages gain impressions and clicks. Finally, you consolidate and monitor. Regularly check coverage, performance, and enhancements in Search Console to track errors and search behavior. Earn a handful of high-quality backlinks and promote posts where your audience hangs out to boost authority. Make iterative content updates for low-performing posts and continue technical maintenance. If your pages still won't appear, inspect crawl errors, canonical tags, and index status. Those usually reveal the issue. Fix the specific flag and request reindexing to resolve lingering visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.